Guys, if you have been asking yourself what is happening between Makhumalo and Mayeni, well, Uthando Nestembo finally revealed why they are beefing, and if you would like to find out, then stay tuned to this video. I really wonder where all of this came from, but out of the blue, Musa called Makhumalo to confront her about what she said last season. Imagine! And at this point, I feel like the show was running out of juice when they decided to cover this story, which is why I believe that those who are saying that episode 14 and episode 15 of the show were are telling the truth. Even that plot of Mangwabe not going to Musa's room, I think it is just a story they created to attract viewers, but nonetheless, the episodes were entertaining, so rehearsed or not, we don't care. All we want is entertainment, and that is exactly what the Mselebos are giving us. On this week, they indirectly showed us why Makhumalo and Mayeni are beefing, and it appears that Makhumalo is fighting to be Musa's number 2, and I'm going to give a brief background for people who didn't watch the show. If you're a fan of Uthando Nestembo, you'll know that Mselewu house was built by Makhumalo, and that is entirely because Makhumalo has been supporting Mselewu since from day one, and I think she needs to get her flowers for that. She deserves to be respected by all the sister wives and Musa himself. I mean, she earned that respect, but that doesn't mean that what she's doing is right. I think Makhumalo should just stop, man. I mean, Mayeni is huge, bro. To me, Mayeni is the mamkulu of the family. Pero I told in the previous season that Musa's first love in this whole situation was Mayeni. It's just that her parents refused when she wanted to get married, which is the only reason why she didn't become umamkulu. And we should keep in mind that at the time when Makhumalo met Mayeni had already had Mselewu's firstborn, Mpumelelo. And for the fact that Makhumalo was building a house for her should mean that she understood Mayeni's role in the family. So she can't come here and brag about that now, because we all know the story. We all know what happened for Mayeni not to become Mselewu's first wife. So yeah, I really do think that Makhumalo is wrong this time. But you guys also allowed to share your thoughts and opinions regarding this topic on the comment section. And if you enjoy content on this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And with that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.